Digital art and design demand a careful balance of display quality, pen input responsiveness, raster performance, and overall system responsiveness. Laptops in this category must handle creative software, color-accurate screens, and ergonomic keyboards for long sessions. To provide a practical, consumer-focused view, list number 1, Drawing Tablet H420X. The Huion H420X is a compact, battery-free drawing tablet with a 4.17 by 2.6-inch active area and a lightweight footprint. It ships with an 8192 level pressure-sensitive stylus and a reported 300 pps report rate for smoother line work, along with 2 side buttons for quick functions. It's designed as a plug-and-play device with broad OS compatibility, Windows, Mac OS, and Android, and notable 60-degree tilt support. The device excels as a portable companion for sketching, OS Uplay, and sign annotation tasks, especially when desk space is limited. Prospective buyers should note it is not compatible with iOS, which narrows tablet ecosystem use primarily to PC, Mac, Android setups. Performance-wise, the H420X delivers reliable input without requiring charging thanks to its battery-free stylus, and its slim 7mm thickness and 167-gram weight make it highly portable. It integrates well with major software packages, Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, Krita, etc., via driver-based or plug-and-play operation. The 6.77 by 4.29 by 0.28-inch footprint ensures it remains unobtrusive on crowded desks, and the 8192 pressure levels translate to fine control in line weight and opacity. Its limitations include the smaller active area, which constrains precise control for large canvases, and potential driver quirks on non-Windows platforms or newer OS updates.
List number 2, HP 15.6-inch laptop. The HP 15-FC0099NR is a 15.6-inch budget-friendly laptop featuring an AMD Ryzen 3 7320U, 8GB RAM, 128GB PCIe SSD, and integrated Radeon graphics. It runs Windows 11 Home in S mode and emphasizes portability with a lightweight 3.5-pound chassis. The 1366 by 768 Micro Edge touch display and modern I/O, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 6, provide a balanced base for light creative work and general productivity. This model is positioned as an entry-level option for students or hobbyists who want accessibility and portability without breaking the bank. In practice, the Ryzen 3 7320U offers respectable daily performance for sketching and basic photo editing tasks, with the 8GB of RAM aiding multitasking. The 128GB SSD ensures snappy boot times and software launches, though storage can fill quickly with media projects, so external storage is recommended. The 15.6-inch touchscreen adds convenience for intuitive navigation and painting apps, while the eye privacy camera and microphone features improve everyday usability. The limitations stem from the modest display resolution and frame rate headroom, plus the S-mode constraint, which may restrict software installation and customization for power users.
List number 3, Gaming Laptop. The Dunhu A2 is a 15.6-inch Windows 11 Pro gaming laptop featuring an Intel Core i7 class performance, 24GB DDR4 RAM, and a 1TB SSD. It offers a 15.6-inch FHD IPS display with a 180-degree hinge, a backlit keyboard, and a fingerprint sensor for quick access. With dedicated emphasis on performance-strong specs, including ample RAM and fast storage, it's aimed at creators who run memory-heavy applications, 3D modeling, video editing, and large-scale raster work, while still serving as a portable gaming or creative workstation. In real-world use, the A2 demonstrates robust multitasking and smooth operation under creative workloads thanks to 24GB RAM and a fast 1TB SSD. The 1080p IPS panel with wide viewing angles supports accurate visuals, though color accuracy depends on the panel calibration and any included color profile. The 180-degree hinge is a practical bonus for collaborative sessions or streaming. Potential downsides include a heavier chassis for all-day carry, and the integrated graphics may limit high-end GPU-accelerated tasks unless the platform offers a discrete GPU option or optimized drivers.
List number 4. 10-piece 3-inch digital artist sticker pack. The Hosala sticker pack is a collection of 10 3-inch decorative vinyl decals designed for laptops, water bottles, and gear. While not a computing device, it plays a role in personalization for digital artists who curate their workspace and gear aesthetics. The pack emphasizes fade resistance, removable matte finishes, and water resistance, appealing to creatives who want to customize their setup without damaging surfaces. From a workflow perspective, the sticker pack has no impact on performance or compatibility with art software. Its value rests in personalization and motivation, helping artists brand and color code their gear. Practical drawbacks include potential wear over time and the need to ensure surface compatibility on curved substrates. It should be treated as an accessory rather than a core workstation component.
List number 5. HP Chromebook 14 laptop. The HP Chromebook 14-NA0021NR is a budget Chrome OS laptop powered by an Intel Celeron N4000 with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB eMMC storage. Its strengths lie in portability, long battery life, and simplicity of use for lightweight tasks. Chrome OS integrates tightly with Google Workspace and cloud-based art apps. For digital art, it's best suited for sketching with web-based tools, reference work, and quick iterations, rather than heavy raster editing or 3D work. In use, the Chromebook excels in endurance and ease of maintenance, offering up to 13.5 hours of battery life and a compact 3.24-pound footprint. However, the modest CPU/storage, modest display resolution, and reliance on cloud-based tools limit its suitability for advanced digital art pipelines. It's ideal for students or creators who primarily do lightweight screen captures, planning, or script-based design tasks, and who value a distraction-free environment.